In this video we will discuss the concept of supernode. So this 5 voltage source is connected between these two nodes. Let's say this is V1 and this is V2. Now both these V1 and V2 are non-reference nodes because we don't know the voltage of either V1 or V2. So this 5 volt is a supernode because neither we know the voltage V1 nor we know the voltage V2. So we don't have any reference. So this is a supernode. Now we will discuss how to derive the network equations for this supernode in the most easiest way. So if this voltage is 10 volt, so this voltage will be 10 because this is connected to the plus 10. So this will be 10 and this will be 0 volt. Because positive is connected to this 10 volt and this is grounded, so it is 0 volt. Now we will describe the network equations for this. So V1 minus 10 upon 1, and let's say the current here is I1, plus V1 minus 0 upon 3 minus I1 is equal to 0. Because this I1 is incoming current. So this will be the first equation, minus I1. So this is the first equation. The second equation is V2 minus 10 upon 2 plus V2 minus 0 upon 4. Now this I1 is outgoing current for this node. So plus I1 equal to 0. Now we can add both of these equations. So V1 minus 10 plus V1 upon 3, and if we add these two, then I1 minus I1 and plus I1 will get cancelled. So plus V2 minus 10 upon 2 plus V2 upon 4 equal to 0. So we get 3V1 minus 30 plus V1. So the LCM will be, the LCM of 3, 2 and 4 will be 12. So 12V1 minus 20, 120 plus 4V1 plus 6V2 minus 60 plus 3V2 equal to 0. So we have 16V1 plus 9V2 equal to 180, and V1 minus V2 is equal to 5 because this is the 5 volt voltage source. So V1 minus V2 is equal to 5. So if we multiply it by 16, so 16V1 minus 16V2 equal to 80, and we have this equation 16V1 plus 9V2 equal to 180. So we can subtract this from this. So minus this will get cancelled. So minus 25 V2 equal to minus 100. So V2 will be equal to 4 volt. And from this equation V1 will be equal to 9 volt. So this V1 is 9 volt, this V2 is 4 volt. So this current will be 1 ampere. This current will be 3 ampere. This current will be 1 ampere. And this current will be 3 ampere. So this I1 will be equal to 2 ampere because 1 ampere and 2 ampere combined will give 2 ampere. So this will be the I1 value is 2 ampere. So this is how we can solve any circuit which contains a supernode. So if you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me or comment in this video, or you can WhatsApp me on 99289352246.